That shit just fucking blew, man.
Me and my three are going down, you can hear them matching. Can you hear them?
That was so unexpected. Open the door. Oh, nothing's happening.
Try opening the door again, Ryan.
All I did was
open the door.
Hey, you fucker!
You should go.
Carried away now. Look at my face.
Stop doing it. Shut the door again. We are boiled, man. Look at them.
They're Kentucky fried. What the fuck happened? Look at that. Fucking blew up in my face. I know. It was there.
I put greenhouse for it. That would, wouldn't it?
I was looking at the fucker when it exploded.
It all blew all over my arm.
First time that's happened, is it? That was fucking quality.
Come on, what's it playing at? It should have gone. We should have gone like half an hour ago.
You see what fucking happens when you try to stop the bastards? That was so unexpected. Thanks for the leg. Oh shit.
What happens if you stick like mayonnaise in it or something?
Just sizzles.
Just sizzles, isn't it?
What you want to do is you want to stick a kitten in it or something. That'll fucking explode as well.
It's coming. You can hear it crackling. I don't like the smell of that either. Try opening the door again.
Kentucky fucked egg.
It's going to knock in your phone now, that is. Well, something's going, There's a bit of action. Yeah, it's just blew one little... Oh, there's a little pox. Just stick the fresh ones in, fuck it.
Take the plate out if you dare.
We fuck
Wait round the corner, see if any fuckers explode for a minute, and then take the fucking plate out. We'll stick these fresh fuckers in. You got a fucking tea towel, something you stick them on the side. Behind you, mate. So myself share my weaknesses, lacking too much. Skies rare, fuck off. Oh my days. Oh what
That smell.
You ready, lads? This ain't gonna fucking take long.
Smells like smells like popcorn, eh? You know you microwave popcorn.
Yeah.
Happy days is hatching. It's going. Boof.
Where for you eggs? They're going.
Come in.
Matt, where have my eggs gone? Well, funny thing about that.
Look in your microwave.
Yeah.
They're still there. Go on. Go on, my son. Oh, you bastard! Wait. No!
No, that's what's gonna blow.
As soon as you did that, I went, fuck this.
Medic!
We should blow louder than that, though. I don't know what's going on.
Right, you should fucking fuzzy shit.
But that's when I was gonna go with a bang. I can feel it.
Hiding around this fucking corner.
Stick a CD in there.
We bastard.
Shit. What if you just disintegrated his whole fucking microwave? I think we're doing a good fucking job at the minute, to be honest. Is there anything else that's blowable? That egg's surviving pretty fucking well.
Unlike the other one, which was like, ah, fuck it.
Look where it's fucking exploded. That's where it opened the door. It's fucking everywhere. I can't believe I opened the door and like 3 seconds, all looking at him. It's about a minute afterwards, oh, they're not going.
Is that one just blew?
No.
Getting close though.
Excuse me.
Excuse you? Oh, fuck me. I'm watching it, mate.
Who's got fags?
No one.
Oh, that's Matt for one. Who's got that?
That things we need bitch, we'll take one out and put eggs.
Yeah. Eggs, bacon, sausage.
Eggs, bacon,
Considering we've ate all this food. Crisps. Hey! Oh, you fucking look at the mess.
You want to?
Oh, you bastard.
Unzoom.
Nah. A slight accident with your microwave. 4 times.
Now, you blow up eggs, piece of shit, right? Stick them in the microwave for about 3 minutes. It's a fucking right laugh.
Fucking nice one, mate.
Fucking nice one, mate.